Pampe say chiemwe tresom na ye de ebro wa wo fie una aka ho ema ye miensa no enti fo adwenche no fabra krogen na ye nkenkan emfa ema wo se anne ye frame atakwadwo me hwemo efri achimota amusie ye no kwasem ne se mo bo adwuma pa ye wo ha nyina ye ni age ene ya chacha mu nyina samo ho ye de awaba se fo mo nya shirka se bibiri more enjoy. When so say TV is not showing you we free Becky Gatti Becky when I say me call you do have time na ma ya we hu de me no ha ma bubo number be party Eja Vincent oh hwan start calling them when so say I am watching you from Eva Junction London. Is it Clap?
Hey, London Junction.
Junction. Oh, okay.
London.
When we can say, is it Clapham? Clapham Junction. You was say you
Clapham.
A bit knife. A bit like Clapham. And I said Clapham.
To me, Clapham. But Pino crying out to Clapham.
Was it sound? Almost a number. No. Please put his number online. Okay, got it. Would you see a Mamma, every no go console your such a number. No, sir. Some numbers no. Midnina, yes, if you be able to go wait to me, you should. Buy Anna, my friend. Was it black of me per Dumo, sir? Kwesi, ya watching your was it that your Japadia book is trending? Sound. Samuel and what trend no buy it. Was it a farm? Oh, okay. Not just say each on the Acadia book. Aye. Edward and Tiania farm. The young farm junction and one. Was agriculture cry? We have land.
We have land, no. We are no land. No, it's land. No.
We don't see it left from right. Aquaculture. Okay. That's agriculture.
Most of our water bodies have turned to
galamsey size. Everybody, if you are cow, we work on a redfish. No, them no will be one more. I was for my young chassis here. A firm. Attorney General, Minister of Justice, Godfrey Ebuadame, me name said Niria Ho and I said Naniaje. They tell me Bisana said rule of law, say, yeah, human will be a sham raswa as a set of men in the edge. Brother who san Niria Ho and said was Susa and Chianoa, a burmu, a war attain no emuno, and none any anymore. Majority decision, and that appeals court actually said Japa, Sabri, who would deal with the name, one name Dr. Ato Forson, minority leader. Yeah, church womo edeboa ede affidavit atu omuti so say womo across financial loss to the state no womo ye mienu na attorney general ya baako ekọ wie no so no appeals court judges no so womo so to aba no ekọ ye 2 ones mienu na baako ti ase obi anya baako share the feeling pepepe share the voting pepepe obi anya why ekọ ba se womo ye mienu no womo tumi ebu fa so so dia utumi but de ekọ ba ye eno no na no and Attorney General said, Chake, me, challenge ruling no. Me the back court to kesim. Me pay ya sem no. Na me dia kokesim. Fi say the course on there. Me hunu ne say emwa was a decision no. Was say enye emwa public office. Attention ne ene de edwuma hye obi nsa so nso o my Ghana. Womo enhwe emasom no enko correct say the SS echo na no what is answer me to dwa no make us say na che japa wono so ani age a wo hurihuri wo se han atamfo ani ewu no wonam no che say wo sere wo mo say kwa wo se rule na aba no wono no wonim bere bi e kɔ ne se de na e kɔ no se ade no na enko yie mfa ma no tini wo bom paye pa na asemi kopie mu appeals court decision ya bai decision no kra no wode no wo hwe se kan kwa ya training akoye true one and I can say still something which is there kakra wo but the niaji we.
Well, all that I can say is that my enemies and detractors have been put to shame. I've been vindicated, and all those allegations that they level against me, trying to dent my integrity because of the conduct of the crooked Attorney General of Redami, it hasn't worked. I've been vindicated by the rule of the appeal court. I've always said that I'm an innocent man and I'm being persecuted for political reasons. And the Court of Appeal has vindicated me on that stand that I've always been saying.
Enti Jakpa ena ohunu se wahye che we ntakra che ebi se enwi na wo hu ntakra ena ohunu se ewo eche no ehunu red one ena etwia eche na chi ho che se de o kire nyina ne se nani agi pa his eyes has collect e dey asema nani agi nani agi pa was it issue ne de wo de urade ase pa enne what didn't send me to Jerry and minority, one more parliament, woman so shall see a de radiasi, de radiasi was a when Yanchi, and ye, who moved our parliament, or so one what's it, say, Attorney General, so I'd back to Cassimo, no problem. Caught when him Guasiama, wow, when him Okojan anymore, and now soon, your face will be like straight away, just say, yan, Tiomo can't channel some money call. Now, so was a quan over qua, no problem. Obako akoye nimwase nyenyenyenye ti omo kan chane se mane nko na se wose kwa na obeko a no problem obako akoye nimwase da onya me asemon traso every sir Montraswe. Oh yeah, Ko Dia kana mo metwa so ofie da onya me ase ene ye fie mo fa enso so ewo mo kam ene ba bia mo chichi yen efiri bia parliament na hunu se wo mo de enwira fita bi dia bo wo mo ti ene bi nso ede abo enfa wo mo nsa ke so mo de abo areas bebre yo mo kan se wo mo ani age so be kai MPC de asemi hya ase wo mo boycott parliament ege control parliament sister control ni nyina ase asetna no kra no wo mo nkobio kopem se ye be jai se tata Ato Forson said no muhunu ne se eye persecution che ye hwede tu yani e de asi obi so na ye tai nipa no a enti ene ba ye no no mo se da na ase da onyame ase ko
ene no a hwasem kuro ya ena ma hye video mu kane minority leader ye rohari na idrisu so atu attorney general for say atemo na ba abonten sa na ye kama sa no Ora Godfrey de bo adamit na hodin koye wadwen se bia wo be se okona asa kwa appeal bia wo court of appeal wo mo be di asem na ne bedru ba bi bon se asem no be se bua begu so mo ni magu asemo enti boko we ya be no afane so court na kasamra ye dwuma se de wo so je mradie no no oje tum sa na akọ ba bi na afa bibia ye boko ne ato aso ne yakoye nim eno ahye bedwane matamale south abato mpesu asofo asem a wo ka nyina no e kire se eniguase ne ba e be ka ban no sanse wo no aso oginam e de ma ban se lawyer panyini eno no Dr. Kesila Ato Forson se de enimu no na wo ne attorney general ne gina court e ma wo mo e pemagan na enei court na clear say minority leader Dr. Kesila Ato Forson who so abrobe wonko ne yire wo court na say ne de party on beto anya asem ketua sansa asem no na anya asem kuma akura enwa danse e ba mu na akwakoye de ne papa na ene Ghana mra hye bedwa fie say de wu ye no minority wo mo celebrate jubilate no na fe minority leader no aso kan hu bi ana her na Idrisu kire se on de wo nsusue bi e de ma attorney general ye ntie ne nsusue no.
The Court of Appeal upheld that the decision by the High Court for him to proceed with a submission of his case had no legal basis, and therefore did not only discharge him, but acquitted him. That is what we are celebrating, and he's invited to celebrate us. Now, Mr. Speaker, I hear the Attorney General, even instead of swallowing his humble pride, is saying that he wants to litigate on this matter. Mr. Speaker, we assure him that he will be further disgraced, because this matter, if you want to try people, try them on matters which are legally meritorious. Letters of credit are mere guarantees. I can go into the matter. This is parliamentary chamber. So, Mr. Speaker, the minority here is celebrating the independent, courageous decision of the Court of Appeal in acquitting the minority leader. That should be celebrated. That in the realm of separation of powers, at least one of the arms of government have stood up to a calling today that they are independent and courageous and will not be used as forum for the persecution of his political opponents. I thank you.
I was here for a way. I can name minority leader Tamale South about to best some Russian beginning on when you're for Harry Nidrusu. I don't know. Now, what can I say? Me a majority leader, Honorable Alexander Fenyamakins, and Sokasayan was one your GD say. So couldn't be a bear was a Ghana, a Mirano. Anyone my Shema Mraya Juma and I was here ma Wamumo near Casagana judiciary no and Edin Kunim. And you have been a Jina baby, a wedding Kunimo baby. Was a politician, Citro Party NDC MPs, no. So somebody a canna fair court in Ubia, now come out with your year, no many agent, no move, a city drum. Now, many agent, woman agent. A booty, I buy na quashatre, and one person, and Rabba Yajuma, as from Rana Yajuma, a fabum cumudia, as a fab nifadi as a ye. And see, Wamonka, na young Misagana Mara Yajuma, Sabaquetia, Sabaco, ye dear mouth, Yenti on Sonense.
Want to say that it's a day to celebrate the judiciary. Yes, Mr. Speaker. Except that, Mr. Speaker, we have to be very consistent as a political class in our celebration of the judiciary. Mr. Speaker, I agree with the position taken by the Honorable Harry Nidrusu. No executive arm of government can manipulate the judiciary arm of the ref. Mr. Speaker, it must never be said that the judiciary is under the control of the executive. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Harry Nidrusu is a courtroom practitioner, just as I am. You were a courtroom practitioner. One of the things that we were taught at the back was to accept the decisions of the court. And when we are not happy, we should go up. And that is how we enrich the law. So I think that in his celebration, he shouldn't use this as a forum to attack the Attorney General, who has no right of audience here. Well, but I don't want that impression to be created. Two, Mr. Speaker, our friends must not be selective. You shouldn't choose when to praise the judiciary and when to attack them. Today, Mr. Speaker, even on the bed to know he has spoken. Be a Democrat. We listen to him in silence. Be a Democrat. Be able to take some of the punches. Mr. Speaker, today, the vetting of the Supreme Court nominees came to a standoff because of mere disagreement. Dr. Forson, Honorable Buat, and Honorable Abuja, you are leading the front bench of this chamber. Let us understand that there are situations where we disagree. And even when we disagree, the language, the approach is essential. I celebrate in your victory. And you know how much it means to democracy in this country. Minority leader on trial, you've gone through the system, your belief in the judicial system. Today, on all fours, I don't take alcohol, but I can offer you a non-alcoholic wine.
I was for way a majority leader, Era Alexander Fenyo Markins, no, so at the NDC for white and be the Aguni comb. Come, I want to celebrate. Was no boom, no more Germany, no dear. Wajina near Chester and Mrakasa, Chester. NDC among your quality, your man Mumbrano said a year Juma, and quarter and Shisha and Wamujidi. It is a truffle baby for Frona quarter, say Hannah Namune and Namu Quemua. More monka said, ye, you can and nam me fear. Ama ye nwiri me wo ntu nti kwan no sebi enye entene emom ye dwiri me kwan de ene entene na emom na ba bi foforo de ene no ano no saa na tie na no achi na MPs ni bi nso e ka wo mo asem kire wo ma dwene fa court no susuye ene na temu wo de ba bonten abusi afo mo fa nche yen enze no wa ye bi bro nti ye bot pom do ya ko ye ni mo kofi ofori man o Facebook o say enti Dabana TV station ni data sound. Minim so uba wo bi so ama.
Don't worry. Remember my number no. And they see you now mama in chakra very very soon.
Town.
Some say me train
I hope have time with you.
Some call half time. Say drew half time no because na I say baba.
Okay.
And to say it drew half time no. Na we ni nyama ya TV ni nyama ya. Don't worry. And see you, Debbie, and yeah, see you said in the news, no, news stand now, TV, no, be them. Timua, Mosimuno, very soon, I want numbers, no, at the mamma. And I want numbers, no. Now, the Americans is here, may send in a voice note. We are not Nadia Otia, no one will say, I said, the course on a bar.